This is onion thing. It's a weed. It's a deadly weed. You have to get it off.
These are elephant ears, right here.
Right here.
These are our beautiful elephant ears. And
Right.
this is a weed. It's deadly. So if you ever get this at your house, it's a weed, not a pumpkin. It looks like a pumpkin, kind of. We searched it. It's not a pumpkin. It's a weed. It's a weed vine.
Oh my God, it's a
It's on the roses, Mommy. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna get a closer look up. That is the weed. That's our rose. And this is us. That's Mia. That's really talking. So you need a Mia. Look, see, this is a weed. Those are elephants. This is my elephant. That's the biggest one. Those are Chuck. Wait, Rose. Let me do it.
If you don't want to get hurt,
It doesn't matter if you pull the vine because it's stupid anyway. Bye-bye. Okay? See that? That's the weed that Grace just pulled off. This is a deadly weed. It cannot grow. We were watering it because we thought it was a pumpkin at first. But no, it's a deadly weed. So what these things do is they choke your plant. When we read, these are pests. Don't let this vine touch your plants, or they could die. They also give you itches. Well, you itch for a second. Just takes water on you, on the tablets. Deadly creatures. But I think my tablet is running out of seconds. So if you get this in your yard, you want to pull it out before it could cause any trouble. We can have a second and look at the people that live in this house. Well, my dad's in Texas, driving on his way home tomorrow night. Hi, Gabriel.
that's our brother.
That's Gracie. There's Mommy. Mommy's over there trying to pull that stupid weed. And these are all our living plants. The elephants that are getting killed. My elephant ears. And our roses are about to die. If we don't get this creature off. There we go. Those are the roots.
What I throw this thing?
In the garbage can.
Oh, to try to
Look how big this thing